I'm not. Oh, I am recording. Okay, hey guys, welcome to Eggy VR. I've changed my name, and I've looked different.
I don't know.
Oh, yeah. Project Egg didn't really work out, so now we're with the brand new Eggy VR. Subscribe or I'll blow you up. Okay, anyway, are you giving out free infinite shotgun ammo guns?
Yeah. Look. Infinite
True.
shotgun.
Okay, now he's gonna attempt
I
to
got the
join.
brown ones on me.
Okay, I hope.
Yeah, I'm trying to
Do
look
we
for
do
a blue
do?
one.
Do we do do?
Yo, sir, can you give me?
backpacks?
Yo,
No.
can you give me one of those teleportation things? I mean,
Who
can
owns
someone
blue
give me some
backpacks?
for free? I didn't have any.
Who owns blue
Dewey
backpacks?
isn't here. Dewey isn't
Me,
here.
I'm Nitty Weasel. I didn't have one.
Do you have blue backpack, sir?
No.
Hey guys, so Dewey can't.
Who has blue backpacks or not?
Because the server was full. So.
Can I have that
I need
Oh,
brown
what?
ones.
No. I need
Okay, anyway.
I need that.
Buddy, here, you want this? Look, you want a little cool shotgun?
Can I have it? Can I have it? Can I have it?
Ah,
No, I didn't have that.
grab it. Yo. Yeah, you have it.
Thank you.
Can I have
problem.
it?
Yo, can I have one?
Yeah,
Can I have one?
please.
Can I have the shotgun?
You,
I have two more.
Who wants blue backpack? Who wants blue backpack? Please, please, please. I've been waiting for this moment for 5
So
years.
I have two from now on.
No, give it!
So,
Okay,
here, let's join a different server. Hey, you, buddy. Want this infinite ammo shotgun? Look. Who wants this?
How are you in my code?
You want it? Hey, you go. Can you go?
How are you in my code?
Ready? Here.
Yo,
grab
we're
it.
back. We're back. What the hell? Where are you guys?
We're back.
They have infinite ammo. Yeah. Subscribe to Eggy VR, which is me. Bye. Okay, right back. My own little code. Hoping that Dewey will comment some moment. I don't know what to let this thing go away. I'm not sure what Dewey actually is. Just join. I'm joining. Join the code HIGF90. Don't want to pay for it. HIGF. Okay, so how many have you given
What
out?
happened? Like more than half of my bag.
Alright, let me see how much I have left. Oh, I have 4 left. I thought I had like 1.
Oh, yeah, I collected some things.
Oh, snap, yo.
They were on the floor, okay? They were on the floor.
Yippee,
Nobody was
yippee,
grabbing
I
them, so
want
I
them.
brought-
I'll take them.
Yeah, I don't want them. Whenever they use the ammo, they didn't want it no more.
Yo, can you?
Okay, so how many do I
Huh?
have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 10. Okay, let's do
Wait,
blue.
hold up. Wait, can you give me rocket ammo?
Okay.
Wow, rocket ammo.
Okay, guys, I'll be right back. I'm gonna do
Okay.
these. That was
I
a
know.
transition, okay? That was a transition.
I see the back.
Who here wants a free infinite ammo shotgun?
Me. I'll give you shotgun.
Me.
I mean, give you.
Me, please.
I'll give you a key.
Oh, here, whoever grabs it.
Where?
Where'd it go?
Who's that light around, huh? Why is there a yellow light around?
Here, who wants a free rocket launcher?
I lost mine.
Bro, are you just giving away free
who
stuff
wants
like
to
because you're a
kill
real
me?
one?
Yo, I'm gonna go to the lake. Everybody, I'm gonna go to the lake. And whoever kills
Here,
me gets
I want a free
a
grenade
revolver
and a
somehow.
shotgun.
Oh no.
Wants another infinite shotgun.
I want to use the
Here,
shotgun.
guys.
Master got me.
Give me.
Give me. Oh my. You just
Okay.
took all of them.
Someone give me
I
a
made
bad
the server
backpack.
happy. I hope I done
Bro, I
well.
didn't even get one.
Try to look at my accomplishments.
Bro,
Everybody drop your infinite shotgun.
Oh, let's go.
no, we're not dropping these.
Just do it. Do it.
No, we're not dropping these.
shotgun.
Alright, everybody kill blue.
Yeah, kill blue. Everybody, where's blue?
These guys.
Hey, look, more
There's a
shotguns.
guy. I don't know
Anybody
where
want
he
to
went.
do haunted mansion?
Look, more shotguns.
You can't. We have to be in a no public, a no private, a no.
Bro, why is there so much rocket launcher and shotguns here?
Because why not? I'm being generous.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Hey, what the heck?
Oh, hello,
Hey, what
everybody.
did everybody say to me?
Hello, everybody.
Say.
Thank you.
I swear,
Thank
someone
you
get
so
that.
much.
I'm gonna vote.
Everybody
Thank you
say,
so much.
Everybody say
What?
subscribe to Eggy
I
VR.
swear, someone get that.
Did someone take my shotgun?
Subscribe to AKVR. Subscribe to AKVR.
VR.
Okay, I'm gonna join back to Code A3GF.
Yeah, I'm looking at it.
Got more.
Oh, my bad.
Yo, somebody
Can't
took my
come
shotgun.
You want
Yo,
to
who took my
distract
shotgun?
Subscribe if you want a free RPG. I'm literally telling you. Subscribe if you want a free RPG, or if you want to be in one of my videos. Yeah, subscribe.